Hey everyone, this is Eclipse from Funda for QA Automation, and in this video we are gonna discuss about how to set up an environment for Java with Selenium. I mean, what all software do we need in order to work on Java with Selenium? This is the topic which we are gonna discuss today. So I have created one sheet where I have mentioned what all tool do we need. So the first tool is JDK, and the second tool which we need is Eclipse, and the third one is Selenium with SeleniumJava. Okay, so we'll discuss all these tools one by one. So let's get started with Java first. So when we talk about JDK, I mean, which version should we use, right? I mean, this is the question because we have a lot of version in the market. So which version should we go for? So let to discuss about it, let me show you one thing. This is the official site of Selenium and what they are saying about Java. So see here, Selenium will stop supporting 8 Java 8 on September 30th, 2023, right? It means on 30th September they are going to stop supporting Java 8. Now read this line. Our new minimum version will be Java 11, but again on September 30th 2023 is also the end of active support of Java 11. So what they are recommending is better go for Java from Java 8 to directly 17. I mean, they are recommending us go for at least Java 17 as of now, right? The minimum version. Even I would also recommend go for the latest Java. As of now, the latest Java version is 20. Then it's better. Why not? We should use the latest version Java 20. It support, right? So yes, I would recommend go for Java 20. Let me see whether I have this Java in my system or not. I mean, I tried to run it Java version, but looks like I don't have Java in my system. So how to install this Java? Okay, so let me show you. Download JDK. Okay, and this is the official site from where you have to download the JDK and see this Java 20 and Java 17 is available. So I would recommend go for Java 20. If you want to go for Java 17, go for the lower version. But yeah, as per my suggestion, I would go for Java 17. If you have Linux operating system, Mac operating system, based on your operating system, you can download this Java. So I have the window, so I will go for the window, and this is the exe file. You can just download this exe file and you can just double click on it. It will get downloaded. It will get downloaded, and let me show. I have this already downloaded here. Okay, so let me double click on this. It will take few minutes to get installed. So it is installing. So it's installing now. See this Java is successfully installed. Now let me close it. Now let's come here in the CMD. Let me open CMD command prompt. CMD, and now let me check the version, Java version. Okay, so if you'll see this, now the Java version is 20, right? So Java version 20 has been installed my system. Okay, the second software which we need is Eclipse. Okay, so now which version of Eclipse do we need to install? Again, there are several versions is available in the market, but again I will recommend go for the latest one. So where you will go for latest one? Yeah, I mean, see, this is the Eclipse official site and you have this the latest version. See, June 2023 is the latest version. You can just double click on it. I mean, you just click on it, it will get downloaded. Again, I have this here, and if I double click on it, it will get installed. You don't need to, this is application, exe application, right? So you just need to double click on it and it will get installed. So I have already installed it. Okay, so when you will install it, it will create one shortcut on your desktop. So see this, one shortcut is available on the desktop. Let's click on this. So looks like I have already opened this Eclipse. right? So let me cancel it. Okay, so let me close it. I mean, I want to show you for one thing here. So I mean, the shortcut will be created on the desktop, so you have to just double click on it and it will start opening here. Okay, now one thing you will be finding here, this path. Okay, so you can select any path. Let's say this path is nothing but workspace. What does it mean by workspace? The space where all the code will get saved. I mean, see, this is the folder where all the code which I'm going to write in this Eclipse will be saved. Okay, so this is nothing but you can select any path. You can select on desktop or I mean any folder. It's up to you. Or maybe you can create a separate folder on the desktop and you can go there. I mean, so it's up to you. Whatever the folder you want to select here, you can select it and you can just launch it. Okay, when you launch it, when you launch it, you'll be getting window like this. I mean, as of now you are seeing two folder here, but when you will be doing first time, there will be nothing on this UI. It will be blank, completely blank. I mean, something like this one. Okay, so what you have to do is, I mean, this is the way we install Eclipse. Okay, now comes to the third part. I mean, the Java with Selenium. Okay, so that is where we have to do, I mean, we have to learn how to use this Eclipse actually. So when you will be doing first time, what you have to do is, for the first time I'm talking about, so you have to go to file, create one Java project, create one Java project. You can give any project name here. Okay, let's say I'm giving Selenium demo. Okay, and here we have multiple see, since I have installed 17 latest version of Java, so I have all the Java available in my system. So it's up to you what version you want to select. So let me select 17. I mean, that is what the minimum they are asking for, right? The Selenium one they are asking for. So okay, let me now I have given the name here and I have selected Java 17 and let's click on finish one. So the moment you will click finish, one new folder will get created here, right? So see this. Okay, so this is the folder structure. So this is the JRE, right? Java runtime environment. So 17 we are using, and this is the source folder where you have to write your code. Okay, now where do I get the Selenium jar file? Okay, so what you have to do is, again, we have the Selenium official site here, right? Go to download section and see, this is the jar file we are talking about. See, this is the file, latest version 4.11.0, right? This is the latest one. So what you have to do is just download this folder. Okay, and see this, when you click on it, single click, it will start downloading here. I mean, let's go to the download folder and see this, it has been downloaded here. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to extract it. I mean, let me extract this. So okay, no worries. So we have this folder and see this, under this Selenium Java folder there are so many jar. See, jar file, executable jar file. See, these are the jar file, right? Now what you have to do is, I mean, first thing we have to download this jar file from the Selenium official site, and now once it is downloaded, right? So now we have to extract it, and this is the folder which we have got it after extraction, right? So this folder is having all the jar file. Now come to the Eclipse. So this is the project which we have created, right? Right click on this project, go to build path and configure build path. This is the path where we have to go it, and go to the library section. Okay, under this library, what you have to do is, I mean, you have to click on the class path and add external jars. Click on add external jars, and where do we have that Selenium jars, right? we have all those Selenium jars under the download folder. Go to the download folder, and this is where all the jar file is available, right? See this. So this jar file we have to select it, all the jar file. So shift and click on the last one. So all the jar file has come here. Let me see any other jar file now. Any other jar file in the under the library? Yes, still we have this much jar file. Again select it, and so all the jar file which we have downloaded from the Selenium is now available under this library. And now click on apply and close. So the moment you closed it, see this, all the jar file is now available under this folder called reference libraries. Okay, so this is what we downloaded from the Selenium site, right? See this. So this is what I was saying. I mean, we installed JDK, we installed Eclipse, and we downloaded this Selenium jar file from the Selenium official site, and we imported, we imported all the Selenium library into this project, right? So that's all, guys. I mean, in order to talk, in order to work on Selenium with Java, these are the software we needed, right? So thank you, guys, and I hope you got the idea how to set up the environment, and let me know if any further question we can discuss about. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.